Dyson DC44 Animal Digital Slim Vacuum Cleaner. Removes pet hair and dust from upholstery. DC44 Animal Refurbished Vacuum is a Dyson Digital Slim Vacuum Cleaner, the cordless machine that doesn't lose suction. Powered by the Dyson digital motor, it is the most powerful cordless vacuum. It comes with a mini motorized tool to remove pet hair and dust from awkward spaces and upholstery. Dyson engineers developed DC44 Animal for versatile floor-to-ceiling cleaning. The center of gravity is located towards the grip for easy handling up top, down low, and in between. It's suitable for every floor surface: carpet, ceramic, vinyl, and wood. DC44 Animal has an increased runtime compared with the DC35, 20 minutes of constant high suction. The motorized floor tool has two types of brushes. Anti-static carbon fiber filaments remove fine dust from hard floors. Step nylon brushes remove ground and dirt from carpets. With an increased power motor driving the brush bar, the cleaner head has double the power of DC35. This means that the bristles are driven deeper into the carpet with more force. The detachable long-reach wand is made from lightweight aluminum. Dyson DC44 Animal has patented Root Cyclone technology, so it doesn't lose suction as you clean. When you start to use the vacuum, these tiny holes quickly clog up with particles of dust. This chokes the flow of air, so the vacuum cleaner loses suction. Dyson vacuum cleaners don't rely on bags to trap dust. They use patented Root Cyclone technology, which spins the air at incredibly high speeds. The cyclones inside the Dyson vacuum cleaner generate centrifugal forces. Dust, dirt, and pet hair are flung out of the airflow and straight into the bin. Dyson digital motor, smaller, lighter, more power efficient. DC44 Animal is powered by an intelligent Dyson digital motor. It's smaller, lighter, and faster. The Dyson digital motor in DC44 spins up to 3 times faster than conventional electric motors. Motorized floor tool with carbon fiber filaments. The motorized floor tool on DC44 Animal has 2 types of brushes. The anti-static carbon fiber filaments remove fine dust from hard floors. Step nylon bristles remove ground and dirt from carpets. This is a great machine. Works great and very lightweight. To purchase Dyson DC44 Animal Digital Slim Vacuum Cleaner, please visit the link in the description. For more video uploads, please subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to support this video by giving your like for this video. Please click like button below. Thanks for watching the video. See you next time.